In last week's video, I did a video of a lost Cherokee town, and I made mention of 4 others. Today's video is Running Water, one of the 5 Chickamauga Cherokee towns that was lost to time. Appalachia, the mountains are like no other. From its rigid terrain, beautiful wildlife, to the people that live their lives here, to the strange, unexplained stories that folks share. Join me while I share this amazing place, one story at a time. In 1782, Cherokee War Chief Dragon Canoe lived here in Running Water with his tribes. European American settlers began moving into the area. The tribe was very against this invasion, so they moved further south. Dragon Canoe died in 1792. The area continued to have settlers move in. 1803, a land investor and railroad promoter, James A. Whiteside, settled the area. He began to develop the land. A railway was built through the area. This meant a bridge and a tunnel would be needed. So Whiteside, being a major stockholder in the East Tennessee-Georgia Railroad, it took over construction in 1858 when the previous railroad had gone bankrupt. Today, this tunnel is known as Whiteside Tunnel. The Whiteside Bridge was built. Confederate troops destroyed the bridge, trying to cripple the Union Army's transport system. The Union Army built it back even better as a trestle in 1863. In the turn of events, in 1867, the trestle was washed away in a flood. The bridge was built again as a single-span bridge. The bridge lasted 57 years, and it would be replaced with a double-span bridge in 1924. The bridge and tunnel was very important to the movement of freight and passengers throughout the Tennessee River Valley from Chattanooga westward. Eventually, the tunnel was abandoned due to regulation changes, so in 1968, it was donated to the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum, and by 1978, it was placed on the National Register of Historic Places. Today, I-24 travels through Whiteside, but Running Waters was all but forgotten, except for today, when we share this history in our little video. Well, folks, I want to thank you for sitting and listening to the history of Running Waters, a lost Cherokee town. We appreciate you listening. We love you to pieces, and I'll see you next time.